Pakistani's foreign policy. One dot in the simplest and made foreign policy can be defined as A. Association amongst the favorite states. B. Association amongst the foreign states. C. Association amongst the enemy states. Answer is D. Both A and B. 2. The guiding principles of Pakistan. Foreign policy are firmly based in countries. A. Cultural ideology. B. Social ideology. C. Islamic ideology. D. Economic ideology. Answer is C. Islamic ideology. 3. Pakistan's strategic location made it a focal point of the A. Region. B. Subcontinent. C. Islamic world. D. Whole world. Answer is D. Whole world. 4. The factors which are discernible in the formulation of Pakistan's foreign policy are A. Ideological obligation and theatrical legacy. B. Geographical location and Indian threat. C. Economic compulsions. D. All of above. Answer is D. All of above.
5. When Pakistan got first loan from USA. A. 1949. B. 1950. C. 1951. D. 1952. Answer is D. 1952. 6. When President of USA George W. Bush visited Pakistan. A. The 4th of October 2001. B. The 3rd of March 2003. C. The 3rd of March 2004. D. The 3rd of March 2006. 7. In beginning, Pakistan joined the defense pacts with which country? On the part largely to protect her frontiers against possible aggression from India. A. UK. B. USA. C. India. D. Russia. Answer is B. USA. When Liaquat Ali Khan visited the USA. A. 1947. B. 1950. C. 1953. D. 1956. Answer is B. 1950. 8. In the present-day scenario, how much GNP is being spent on defense sector? Because Pakistan cannot afford to let India play with her territorial integrity and national sovereignty. A. 30%. B. 40%. C. 50%. D. 70%. Answer D. 70%. 9. When Soviet Union sent its forces entered into Afghanistan. A. September 1979. B. October 1979. C. November 1979. D. December 1979. Answer D. December 1979. 10. Which country first of all recognized Pakistan as an independent state? A. Afghanistan. B. China. C. Iran. D. Turkey. Answer C. Iran. 11. In which fiscal year American economic aid to Pakistan started? A. 1950. B. 1951. C. 1952. D. 1953. Answer B. 1951. 12. Pakistan's earlier efforts at promoting the Islamic unity failed because A. Environment of world policies copied. B. National style of diplomacy copied from European powers. C. National style of diplomacy copied from Asian powers. D. A and B both tie. Answer is D. A and B both.
Subscribe my YouTube channel. Emotion by Design, Sir Zahid Hussain.
13. Pakistan's desire to cultivate friendly relations with China obviously Annoyed which country? A. UK. B. USA. C. India. D. France. Answer is B. USA. 14. In which year Ayub Khan supported China's membership of the UN? A. 1960. B. 1961. C. 1962. D. 1963. Answer is B. 1961. 15. An agreement on the demarcation of boundaries was concluded between AS China and Pakistan. A. 1960. B. 1961. C. 1962. D. 1963.
Answer is C. 1962.
16. When Ayub Khan paid a visit to China. A. 1964. B. 1965. C. 1966. D. 1967. Answer is A. 1964. 17. Karakoram Highway was built with help of which countries? A. India. B. China. C. Iran. D. Afghanistan. Answer is B. China. 18. In which year China gave assistance to develop transport industry in Pakistan? A. 1950. B. 1960. C. 1970. D. 1980. Answer is C. 1970. 19. India has always denounced which Pact-China Treaty? A. Pact-China Educational Treaty 1963. B. Pact-China Boundary Treaty 1963. C. Pact-China Economic Treaty 1963. D. Pact-China Social Treaty 1963. Answer is B. Pact-China Educational Treaty 1963. 20. When Soviet leader Stalin extended GU an invitation to first PM of Pakistan to visit Moscow. A. 1947. B. 1948. C. 1949. D. 1950. Answer is C. 1949. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel. Emotion by Design Sir Zahid Hussain.